Getting a toddler to tidy up can feel like asking the world's most difficult request, but don't worry, there are ways to make it fun and actually get them involved. Hi, and welcome to CozyChats.com, your space for practical parenting tips and support. Teaching your toddler to tidy up does take time, patience, consistency, and a little bit of creativity, but trust me, it is possible. So first of all, be consistent. It is much easier to just clean up ourselves, but consistency is key. Even when it feels like they aren't listening, don't give up. The more they see tidying as a part of the routine, the more natural it becomes. Make it fun with some music. Everything is more fun with music, whether it's your own song that you make up or you play one like Gracie's Corners cleanup song. Music will help tidying feel like a game instead of a chore. Show them real life examples. Toddlers learn best by watching others. Playgroups are great for this because they often have tidy up time built into the session. You can also show your child videos of other children tidying. Sometimes seeing other children do it does make the difference. And tidy up together. At this age, kids love to copy what we do. So instead of telling them to tidy up, say let's clean up together. Make it a shared activity and that will encourage them to take part. Build it into your daily routine. A great way to reinforce tidying as a habit is to try and do it at the same time every day. So try doing it before bedtime, put away the toys and the books, and get them involved. So let's summarize. Teaching your toddler to tidy up does take time, patience, and consistency. Make it fun and tidy up together and create a daily routine so that they get used to tidying up. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to follow us and check out CozyChats.com. And remember, tidying up can be fun, but just with the right song.